Hey guys, Dickeydol everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is Indian style chili chicken recipe, and this is Mr. Sittu Sang will show you how to make his Japanese chef. So let's get started. So first we gonna marinate the chicken. So we already cut into bite pieces. Now add the all seasoning. By the way, if you want to know all the seasoning list, you can check it out my description box. So I already mentioned in there. Once all the seasoning done, now you have to mix it very nicely. After mix it well, now we gonna leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Much as longer you can. And now it's ready for deep fry, and we already heat the oil and just drop the oil chicken and fry until not brown color the oil chicken, and flame you have to keep in medium flame. Now take out the chicken and set aside. So these are ingredients we gonna use in chili chicken. By the way, all ingredient lists you can check out description box. Already mentioned all ingredient lists. Okay, so once you heat the oil, now add the ginger and garlic and fry for a few minutes. After that, we gonna add the all vegetable. Add some pinch of salt. Just toast for a few minutes. After that, he add just a little bit water, around 2-3 tablespoons. And next, he add the chicken finally, which is we fried the before. Now all ingredients we have to mix well. And add the oil seasoning again. Now mix it very nicely. So by the way, when you add any seasoning, any cooking, so remember when you add anything, just reduce the flame. So add something, it will not easily burn. Keep in mind. And now it's ready to serve. So today we make the dry chili chicken Indian style. So but he said the Indian style they use the lots of cream and tomato ketchup and little more gravy. But today we make the dry and less spicy. But if you want, you can definitely go with that. So this is the final result, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. So if you want to know about more recipe, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.